One, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter the thing shockalize me, like seriously, the thing it dey very painful. And they always tell people, say, if you want date man, I beg, especially all those Oyinbo, more na dey careful. They're very careful, because wetin dey happen these days, the thing they shockalize everybody. This Kpeme wey be say you tell man say you not do again, you can't turn problem, you can't define what take Kpeme you know. It dey very bad. Very bad, my darling people. But we make many of our men make them stop to do this thing. Woman go say he no want again. Una go come dey find out una want take Kpeme there. Very bad. Can you imagine now? A woman tell man say he no want again. Say he no want do again. This woman married this old man. And they know say the man, na old man, he go marry him. He marry and finish now. The man now come she can't go Nigeria. The way I tell you the story now. She can't go Nigeria, as she come back from Nigeria. And with this man, they see so you not talk saying an old man. You go marry him because of maybe document or because of what you they look for. Okay, you marry the man, finish now. Now you can't tell the man now say you don't want to do again. Say as he come back from Nigeria, you can't tell the man say you don't want the relationship again. Now the man tell her say like seriously. Why? He say not. He say you don't want again. Now then the man come tell and say you lie, you go nowhere. That one not go happen. You don't feel live in just like that. When they see my darling people, now what it cause the problem? Now be that one. So the woman now can't leave the man. As he called the man for working place. Say you don't want the relationship again. Now the man tell and say, hey. Now so he say yes. Then the man say okay, no problem now. You go see what the plan wait for you. Then the man you go meet her for a working place. He shoots the woman for head 3 times. And so he take Kpeme this woman. Now so the thing just stay apple so the way I just stay hear the story so. And so he take Kpeme the woman. Now the woman now don't Kpeme now. He don't delete. Eh? So white men, and now they look for the man now. Now very old man, very old man. They look for the man now everywhere. They don't see this man. They don't see this man, my darling people. The thing just shockalize me. I say I hear the story. The thing they very painful. Very painful. Some men are wicked. Some white men. They wicked though. Now when they say no, now Oyinbo I want follow. Now Oyinbo I want follow. Some white men they very wicked. They very wicked. They not good. So my ogbonge people, this video not go too long. I know I made the video too long at all. So I just 4 minutes. I want to make the video be. So more than I may give the woman rest in peace, because it don't happen. It don't happen. Whether a family don't even hear now, we don't know, because now yesterday now the thing happen. You understand? Whether the family now, so anybody will know her, I be more than contact the family. Make them know say their pikin don't Kpeme. Their pikin will just come from Nigeria that day now. It don't go. It don't go just like that. So my darling people, I need to wanna think about the video. When I still live, wanna comment to wanna give them rest in peace. Bye.
I'm looking for a body. He said that he not gonna live her. Now I say I know what. The woman don't born for you. You get that many for woman for us. They don't born. I don't want to be picking marriage you. Come out now carry I go to Ghana. Now carry my pikin. Come back for there. Now say if I see you for there again, from there now carry a corn house. As I reach us, let this go my pikin they teach because of I remember for that because I may not teach for there again. Around 4 men they gonna come and say no gay. They say my pikin to hospital. I say which hospital is it? In the hospital I say yes. Now Papa say that person gonna say they say for the village for that I say they're Russian. Come here. Now we make us take console. Why we reach here now? Now we just say no, get don't kill my pikin. You don't look up for some. You don't look up for some much.
That was Mrs. Gladys Aigbe accusing the Enoge of Uro village, His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki, of being responsible for the death of her daughter, Faith Aigbe, whose corpse was found inside a car at the Central Hospital in Benin City on Thursday 9th September 2021. Enoge Friday Ogeraki, who said he knew Faith Aigbe at the College of Education, Kiadolo near Benin, several years ago, when they were both students, said they entered into relationship in February 2020, which culminated in the over 8 months pregnancy, when her mother, Mrs. Gladys Aigbe, insisted that she would not allow her daughter to marry him. Hence, she took her to Abuja, where the pregnancy was aborted. Enoge Ogeraki said the deceased came to his house few days after her return from Abuja to plead with him to forgive her for the termination of the pregnancy, which was almost due, an action she hinged on the pressure from her mother.
The pregnancy is 8 months plus, let me say 9 months, when her mother took her to go and abort the pregnancy without my consent. I don't know anything about it. I was shocked and surprised. Even in my conversation with her, is there. I even told her, you have done what your mother asked you to do.
The Enoge of Uro village, Friday Ogeraki, also presented the WhatsApp written and voice chat with Faith Aigbe few days before her last visit to his house after the abortion of the over 8 months pregnancy.
Baby, I don't see your face for it. I want to tell you. Let me call you just now. I don't know what I want to tell you for phone. As I call you again that time. I don't go where for this thing. They say they do not see a risk, big risk now take. Say one go do that kind of thing. Say the thing no, say no come out finish before. That make me come dey feel pain. All those things. Say as it be so. Say my body just still open. Say my body just still open well. Say my body just still open. Say but I try and see as it be so my body nice, still fresh. I be like person we know all those kind of things. Say the thing not for finish. I make belly can dey pain me. So now say me tell you.
On how the corpse of late Faith Aigbe was discovered in his car at the Central Hospital in Benin City, the Enoge further explains.
I never abandoned the corpse inside my vehicle. She died inside my vehicle when I'm taking her to the hospital. When I get there, I start contacting her family people so that they will come. Let's take the body to the mortuary. Calling them, they refuse to come. I said, okay, since they refuse to come, let me go to the nearest police station, who is under my jurisdiction, who can help me out. And my family people were there. That's how I went straight to Oyinbo division. Before they get there, another news have been spreading.
Thank you.
A visit to the palace of the Enoge at Uro village further gave these revelations on their relationship. Investigations revealed that though His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki has not paid the dowry of Faith Aigbe, this is the residence where Faith Aigbe has been living with His Royal Highness. Please join me. Let us go into the room where Faith has been living in this house. Here is the room Faith Aigbe has been staying with His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki in his palace. So, you can also see the baby things the expected mother has arranged, and His Royal Highness has also arranged these baby things in expectation that a newborn baby will come into this house. Sources disclosed that the Enoge of Uro village, His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki, is already with the police to explain his own side of the story. To further buttress that Faith Aigbe has been staying in this house with His Royal Highness Friday Ogeraki, these are the clothes she washed and dried a few days ago before the incident. From Uro village, Local Government Council area.